A woman's touch to a man isn't just nice, it is actual medicine. It is physical healing. Most men live in a constant state of high alert, scanning for threats, solving problems. His cortisol levels are constantly spiking, just to keep the engine running. But when a woman he loves touches him, his brain floods with oxytocin within seconds. It restores his depleted dopamine and testosterone levels faster than sleep. Heart rate slows, blood pressure drops, inflammation quiets down. His nervous system hears only one command: you are safe now, let go. Her softness doesn't make him weak, it recharges him. Brain scans show his emotional centers actually light up brighter than hers when touched. He carries the weight of the world all day, but one gentle touch helps him exhale. He needs that physical docking station to function. No pill on earth works faster than the hand of the right woman. It gives him the fuel to stand tall again and take on the world for another day. It's not just love, it's life support, and that is why.